Now we're going to work on the air filter. We're going to access it and we're going to change it. So it's often difficult to know where the air filter is. Generally what you're looking for is an air intake area. So where's this sort of tubing where air is going to come in from the front of the vehicle, and you can follow that around and it gives you some idea of where the air filter will be. In this case, that tubing is over here on the driver's side, and you've got a whole tubing manifold that's on top of the battery. We'll show you how this one pops off, and then we'll get access to the filter box in behind. Now it has quick releases on it. One on each side for this one. So they just snap in and then you pull them out. That is a very, very dirty filter. That means this engine has been starving for air for quite a while. The inside is beautiful. So you can clearly see the value of having a filter. Keeps all that dirt from getting into the engine. So we've got our old filter here. We went to our local automotive shop. We picked up a new one. Before and after, quite a difference. So we'll just slide this one in. Then we're just going to push these up and snap them over. Once that's done, we'll reposition our air intake manifold. Sometimes they snap in, sometimes they just set in like this. And that is it. We have replaced our filter. Incidentally, that same air intake manifold was over top of our battery. So if you need to boost your vehicle, you're going to need to remove that as well. So that's it. Thanks again for watching. I hope this helped a bunch. You can top up your fluids when you need them. You can change your air filter when you need. So this vehicle is now in pretty good shape until it goes in for its next service. Thanks again for watching.